Welcome back to CarScope. Today we're taking a closer look at the exciting new 2027 Alfa Romeo Giulia, a luxury sports sedan that continues to blend Italian style, thrilling performance, and modern technology into one beautiful package. The 2027 Giulia arrives with a refreshed design that keeps the car's unmistakable Alfa Romeo character alive. At the front, the iconic triangular grille remains the centerpiece, now paired with slimmer LED headlights and a more aggressive bumper design. The sleek body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, giving the Giulia a sporty and elegant appearance that stands out from the crowd. New wheel designs and updated color options add even more personality to this stylish sedan. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that combines luxury with driver-focused functionality. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including soft-touch leather, aluminum accents, and high-quality trim pieces. The dashboard has been updated with a larger infotainment display that offers faster response times and improved graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making smartphone integration easier than ever. The digital instrument cluster has also received upgrades, providing customizable displays that allow drivers to prioritize navigation, performance data, or vehicle information. Comfort has been enhanced with redesigned seats that offer improved support during spirited driving, while remaining comfortable for long-distance journeys. Under the hood, the 2027 Alfa Romeo Giulia is expected to offer a range of powerful engine options. The standard turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers impressive performance with strong acceleration and responsive handling. For enthusiasts seeking even more excitement, higher performance variants are expected to provide increased horsepower and sharper driving dynamics. One of the Giulia's biggest strengths remains its exceptional handling. Alfa Romeo engineers have fine-tuned the suspension and steering system to deliver a driving experience that feels precise and engaging. Whether you're navigating city streets or enjoying a winding mountain road, the Giulia offers a level of connection that many competitors struggle to match. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 model. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work together to enhance safety while reducing driver fatigue during longer trips. Fuel efficiency has also been improved through engine refinements and aerodynamic enhancements. Drivers can enjoy strong performance without sacrificing everyday practicality, making the Giulia an appealing choice for those who want excitement and efficiency in a single package. Cargo space remains competitive for the segment, and rear seat passengers benefit from improved comfort and connectivity options. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and upgraded climate controls ensure everyone on board enjoys a premium experience. The 2027 Alfa Romeo Giulia continues to offer something unique in the luxury sedan market. While many rivals focus primarily on technology and comfort, the Giulia remains dedicated to delivering genuine driving enjoyment. Its combination of Italian styling, engaging performance, modern features, and premium craftsmanship makes it one of the most appealing sports sedans available. For drivers who want a car that turns heads and puts a smile on their face every time they get behind the wheel, the new 2027 Alfa Romeo Giulia deserves serious attention. Thanks for watching CarScope. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates.